Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we will learn the basics of HVAC installation. This video is specially designed for beginners, HVAC students, and new technicians who want to understand how HVAC systems are installed and why each installation step is important. HVAC stands for heating, ventilation, and air conditioning. These systems are used to control indoor temperature, airflow, humidity, and air quality in homes, offices, hospitals, shopping malls, and industrial buildings. What is HVAC installation? HVAC installation is the process of placing and connecting HVAC equipment so it can heat, cool, and ventilate a building properly. A good installation is important, because even the best HVAC equipment may not perform correctly if it is installed improperly. Proper installation improves comfort, efficiency, safety, and system life. Understanding the main HVAC components. Before installing any HVAC system, it is important to understand the major components. The compressor is considered the heart of the cooling system. It circulates refrigerant throughout the refrigeration cycle. The condenser releases heat to the outside environment, while the evaporator absorbs heat from indoor air and creates the cooling effect. Fans help move air, filters clean the air, and thermostats control system operation. Ventilation components bring fresh air into the building and remove stale air. Site inspection before installation. Every HVAC installation begins with a site inspection. The technician checks the room size, building layout, power supply, airflow requirements, and equipment location. Proper system sizing is very important. If the unit is too small, it may not provide enough cooling. If it is too large, efficiency and comfort can be affected. Installing the indoor unit. For a split air conditioner, the indoor unit should be installed on a strong wall, with enough space around it for proper airflow. The mounting plate is fixed securely to the wall. A wall hole is then drilled to allow copper pipes, electrical cables, and the drain pipe to pass through. The indoor unit is carefully mounted on the plate and checked to ensure it is level. A properly installed indoor unit helps prevent vibration, noise, and water leakage problems. Installing the outdoor unit. Next, the outdoor unit is installed. The outdoor unit should be placed in a well-ventilated area where air can move freely around the condenser. It can be mounted on a wall bracket or placed on a strong concrete base. The unit must be secured properly to reduce vibration and ensure safe operation. Connecting refrigerant pipes. Copper pipes are used to connect the indoor and outdoor units. These pipes carry refrigerant between the evaporator and condenser. Proper pipe sizing, insulation, and leak-free connections are very important. Poor piping work can reduce efficiency and cause refrigerant leaks. Electrical wiring. Electrical wiring is one of the most important installation steps. The indoor and outdoor units are connected according to the manufacturer's wiring diagram. All terminals must be tightened properly, and electrical safety procedures should always be followed. Loose wiring can cause communication faults, equipment damage, and safety hazards. Drainage installation. During cooling operation, water forms on the evaporator coil. The drain pipe carries this water outside the building. The drain pipe should have a downward slope so water can flow freely. Incorrect drain installation can result in indoor water leakage. Vacuum process. Before starting the system, a vacuum pump is connected to remove air and moisture from the refrigerant piping. This is one of the most important steps in HVAC installation. Air and moisture inside the system can reduce efficiency and damage components over time. A proper vacuum ensures reliable system performance. Refrigerant release and system testing. After vacuuming is complete, the refrigerant valves are opened and refrigerant begins circulating through the system. The technician then starts the system and checks cooling performance, operating pressures, airflow, temperature, drainage, and electrical operation. Testing helps confirm that the installation was completed correctly and the system is operating safely. Importance of safety during installation. Safety should always be a priority during HVAC installation. Technicians should use proper tools, safety glasses, gloves, and follow electrical safety procedures. Equipment should be installed according to manufacturer recommendations and local codes. Good safety practices help prevent accidents and equipment damage. Conclusion. HVAC installation is more than simply mounting equipment on a wall. It involves proper planning, equipment placement, piping, wiring, drainage, vacuuming, refrigerant management, and system testing. When each step is completed correctly, the HVAC system operates efficiently, provides better comfort, consumes less energy, and lasts longer. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more HVAC training videos, installation guides, troubleshooting tutorials, and refrigeration and air conditioning educational content.